flawless, I like diamonds.
Hi, yeah, Fenty Beauty. Oh, it's the voicemail, y'all. So I just wanted to say that I feel personally attacked by the things that y'all have going on right now, and the whole Beach Please thing. It's attacked me. I haven't even gotten to the products yet, but I feel attacked, and I just want y'all to know that if you want me on the team, I'm right there. Just call me back. I'm gonna leave my email and everything like that, my Instagram and stuff. Just call me up, please, because I love you. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Worldofzach here, and I'm back for another video. If you're new to my channel, then hey, what's up, what's good? You know, how you doing in life? What do you like? What you into? Yeah, you like colors? You like Rihanna? You like Fenty? So why are we not friends? Oh, we are. So you subscribe. Girl, go ahead. I'm put it right here so we know to do. Subscribe, click the bell, give it a thumbs up already because go ahead and thumbs the video up. Sis. And if you're not new here, you already know what's up. You already thumbs it up, you already subscribed already, and you already made sure that your notification button is on because that's how you got here to this video, right? Because it's Rihanna's. It's Fenty, so you know. Fenty Beauty equals everybody like it, so you know. We are here for the same thing, okay? We want to see what this Fenty stuff looking like, what it look like on everything like that. And I'm a little brown skin, I'm a little darker brown skin or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So I want to see what it look like on me. I'm super excited, you guys, to try these products out, to check these products out. In case you didn't realize by the title of this video. So in case you have no freaking clue what I'm talking about, Fenty Beauty just came out with their Beach Please summer collection, like part 2, I believe it is, because they had the body lavas, which are bomb. The body lavas smell so good and they're so nice. But now this is part 2 with the palettes and everything like that. She came out with 3 duos and then 2 different sets of 3 lip gloss trios and then 2 liquid eyeshadow duo sides and stuff like that. So I'm a little humble, you know what I'm saying? My wallet's a little humble too, so I was only able to buy like 1 little compact thing and then 1 set of lip gloss, and that was a cute coin right there. It was about $70. But I mean, not too bad, but I didn't want to pick up the entire collection. I'm not on Fenty Beauty's PR list or anything like that. So I went on my own money and spent my coin that I worked. Even though I think all the colors would look great on everybody, I just wanted to get what I felt would suit me and what I want to spend my money on, you know what I'm saying? To come up with a bomb look, you know what I'm saying? Which, like, I'm pretty sure that we all saw Rihanna on Vogue website, Vogue YouTube channel and everything like that, and Instagram, doing her makeup, like a makeup tutorial, which is like the dopest, cutest thing ever. And it was just it just made you love Rihanna so much more, as if you already didn't love her. Like seeing her use her own products, hype herself up, and like the products actually being of quality and so bomb, and like her giving like the sneak peek of it herself. It's just so dope and so incredible. And I love the marketing and like the way that Fenty Beauty works. They're so smart. Fenty, call me. I want to work with y'all. No, for real though, Fenty Beauty. If you watch this, alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into the product. So the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Kilowatt Foil comes in this packaging, which is super pretty. And then this is the actual product itself, super gorgeous. And this is in the shade Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. So this is Mimosa Sunrise and this is Sangria Sunset. Is that right? Yes. Mimosa Sunrise is right here. Duh, because it's color from Mimosa. Obviously. But this is Sangria Sunset. I'm super excited to get into this. You can see it's such quality. And this is, I think, $34 for this. Packaging is amazing, stellar, super durable, all that. And then these are the Summer Nights Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trios. And I saw Priscilla Ono. I watched the makeup masterclass that she had, the Fenty Beauty masterclass she did. And she said these are even less sticky than the Gloss Bomb, which we all know the Gloss Bomb is everything, honey. So the shades that these 3 things come in is Snakeskin, Mermaid Thighs. So this little blue shade right here is called Mermaid Thighs. Mermaid Thighs. I'm here for it, sis. It's cute as fuck, okay? And then we have the shade Vacay, and I think Vacay is the one that Rihanna was wearing in her Vogue makeup tutorial and everything like that. I'm pretty sure this is the shade that she was wearing. If not, then it's the other shade to the far right, where you're left, I don't know, left and right. It's the far side on the other box collection. Yeah. So if you know me, then you know I love me a gloss girl. So I'm ready to get into these, honey. I'm ready, okay? So like, I'm not really sure what kind of look I want to do today, but I know it's gonna be cute. Hopefully. And I want it to be colorful, tropical, like a box of Fruit Loops or Lucky Charms type of situation or whatever. I want to take it in that realm, but I want to do something creative and bold and like really editorial, high fashion type of thing. Something. I'm using Priscilla Ono and the work that she's done on other people and stuff like that, and the way Rihanna and Priscilla talk about the way they like to highlight and stuff like that. I'm going to take that into context and try to use this product to the best of my ability, into the Fenty way and like the way the Fenty beauty style is. So we'll just see what happens with that. Right now I'm just taking like a big fluffy brush and going in with this shade. Ooh. Okay. I really hope that these pick up on camera. Yo, oh my god, are you guys seeing this? I hope that this is picking up on camera because this looks so bomb. Just taking this color, what's she called again? Mimosa Sunrise, and putting that in my crease. And it's so crazy. I've seen this on other complexions and it pulls a lot more orange, and for me, it's giving more like a yellowish gold with like some orange like hints and reflex and undertones to it. But this looks absolutely freaking beautiful. Okay, so right now I'm just taking my Mimosa Sunrise and applying it all over my lid with my finger. It's looking so pretty. Oh my god. Yo, when I say this color is sickening, bitch, like, bitch, it's sickening, bitch. I mean, like, I would ask you if you can see this, but I know you do. I know you see it. This is fire. My finger looks like a sunrise. Why does my finger look like a sunrise? Rihanna, let's talk. So right now I think I'm just gonna take Sangria Sunset and sweep that all across my lower lash line and smoke my bottom lash line out with this shade. So we're just gonna let Rihanna then just go off with this. And I haven't even wet the brush at all or anything like that. This is all legit just dry. So this is pretty much what I have so far. And I honestly think that it looks so, so gorgeous. It's super, super avant-garde. It would look great paired with like different, like a smoky eye, and just take either one of the colors, add to it, the inner corner, stuff like that. But I just want to do something really bold, something avant-garde and high fashion editorial. And I'm about to take it even further with my cheeks and the lips and everything like that. But so far, this is what I think, and this is what I have so far. I think the product is really, really dope. Of course, I mean, I didn't expect anything less. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, I don't know what you thought was gonna happen here. I don't know what you came for. Surprise! It's bomb. It's Fenty. Okay. So listen, right before y'all try to go ahead and roast me, if you aren't into colorful looks, avant-gardeness, being bold and creative and such like that, go ahead and click this video. Click off this video and take back anything Fenty that you ever bought. Actually, don't, cause look, support my businesses, okay? Hello, support. Still, watch the video, give it a thumbs up before you leave. But Fenty Beauty, when they came out with this collection, what they wanted is people to highlight in different ways, take things to a different level, be more artistic, creative, and be bold and live your life that way. Don't be afraid to wear stuff like this out in public. I'm probably not going to Starbucks like this. I got a Starbucks later. I'm not going to Starbucks like this. I'm just not. But I would definitely go out looking like this. Like if I was going somewhere to the mall or an event or something like that, I have no problem stepping out wearing bold colors and everything like that, because as long as I feel comfortable, I feel confident, I feel beautiful, then I don't really care what anybody else has to say, which is what Fenty Beauty is all about, which is what my channel is about. So if you're about that, then let's continue, shall we? Thank you. So if you can see, I'm going in right here and connecting these three, like the outer corner from my lower lash line, into my highlighter and creating this whole C shape right here, and just bringing that really, really pretty kind of fuchsia pinkish color iridescentness all of my cheekbones and all up here, and connecting everything into like a super, super high fashion glow. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing over here. But let me sit down because I need to finish this video so I can go ahead and get to studying. But do y'all see this? Sis, I just want to bob my head around and go in circles because this looks so pretty. Right now, just taking the shade Mimosa Sunrise and highlighting my nose really quick and her snatch that real quick going on, you know what I'm saying? Get that Cupid's bow action with her. So while I'm like living for this look 110,000%, honey, I'm gonna go off camera, go ahead and apply my lashes really quick and be back to come on and put on a gloss and finish up this look for you. Alright guys, so I'm back with like a little lash on or whatever. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the lip gloss, and I'm going with the shade Vogue Cray. So it's Vogue Cray. Let's see if it got a smell to it. Okay, it just smells good, basically. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. She's gold. She's gold. All right, okay. And Priscilla Ono was right. This is so smooth. It doesn't even feel like a gloss. I've never felt a gloss like this before. This is wow. This is beautiful. Oh my God. So I'm like, Vogue Cray? I did not expect her to come out like this. She flipped on me. She went crazy on me a little bit. Dare I say this is kind of like a rose gold, but like more gold gloss. But it's, the container is so pink. Like it's oh my God, it's so pretty. But like this would be like a color I would wear on top of something. It's so gorgeous, but I wear this on top of something. So while Vogue Cray was very cute, she was kind of coming for extra credit. She was trying to extend her trip, but I had to come bring her friend along, gloss bomb, put her on top, tone her down a little bit, but it's still beautiful. You can still see some of the gold reflex in there, but you have kind of that neutral pinky color from the gloss bomb, and now the lips just look lip balm, basically. Alright. So this is pretty much it for the video, you guys. This is the finished look. I'm in love with it. I'm so obsessed with it. I love the color contrast, how bold it is. And I actually went ahead and did add mermaid's eyes into my inner corner, the lip gloss. And it does look pretty damn good. Like in person, it's so reflective. It's so bold and so beautiful. And it's not sticky or anything like that. It's not runny, watery. It's applying, like it applied really nice, and it's wearing really nicely so far. Like I can't wait to use these products more and more and see like the longevity of it and like people's comments in person and everything like that. But overall, I think that this is a win. Of course, like it's go buy it. Like obviously that like. Come on, you get like a lot of product with these. You get a pretty good amount, and you get 3 lip glosses for like $32, and I think the compacts are $34 a piece. And it's pretty like sturdy compact. You get like a mirror with it, 2 colors to work with that you can use for so many different things. I saw Sandra Deluxe use it for like a base for her lips with a clear gloss or something like that too. So like these can be really used like so bomb. I do suggest all these products. I have everything linked down below in the description box. If you can't get your hands on it, sis, get your hands on it. Go to JCPenney, go to Sephora or whatever, and go to your local Sephora, like big store, whatever, and get your hands on these products. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, sticking around to the end, because I know it's been a mess and I'm crazy as hell and everything like that. But I really do appreciate all the love and support that I'm getting from you guys. This Melanin Man in makeup on the rise. Melanin Man in makeup on the rise. See, I'm a mess. Yeah, I'm a mess. But my face is being snatched, okay? Hello? Anywho, go ahead and like, don't forget to watch all my other videos. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, click the notification bell. Click that bell so you get notified whenever I post. And give this video a big thumbs up. Share this with anybody who loves Fenty Beauty. Call Rihanna, like if you want to call me, Fenty Beauty, family, just family. Because I'm your family, okay? Call me. We can link up. Alright, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye, guys.